2024, however, remains uncertain. The growth function would assist us to forecast revenue for 2024. To estimate growth in Excel, follow these steps. Select the cell where you want to display the forecast. Type $, then type growth, and double-click on the function when it appears in the list. Select the known Y values, for instance, revenue or C4 is to C7, and the known X values, for instance, year or B4 is to B7. If you have any new X values, include them as well. Enter the constant cell reference, B8, and press enter to see the forecast. Excel simultaneously updates the charts for it to sync with the data on the table. Simply put, there would be growth in 2024. That's it. TechTricksGh. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and hit the bell.